the HS Micro, brought to you by Ultra-Electronics. The HS Micro has a maximum acoustic output of 140 decibels with a maximum communication range of 500 meters. The HS Micro can be easily transported because it weighs less than 18 pounds. The HS Micro also comes equipped with a commercial off-the-shelf battery, and with the purchase of an extra commercial off-the-shelf battery, the operator can be up and running while one is in use and one is charging, giving the user 24 hours of continued use. The HS Micro also comes standard with a record-play microphone, allowing the operator to achieve maximum volume with live voice. The HS Micro also comes standard with an auxiliary in cable, which just takes a standard 3.5 millimeter jack, which can be plugged in such things as a cell phone or an iPod.
What I have here is the HS Micro. We're about an altitude of 30 feet and 90 meters away from the subject. The HS Micro is loud enough to be over the background noise of a helicopter. It's also battery operated, so it's independent from any other power source. Another great feature of the HS Micro is the record play microphone. A person has the ability to get live voice, also record a message up to 60 seconds long, and play it back multiple times. This is a record play microphone on the HS Micro.
This is a record play microphone on the HS Micro. This is a record play microphone on the HS Micro. This is a record play microphone on the HS Micro. This is a record play microphone on the HS Micro.
Another great feature is the 3.5 millimeter audio jack, which can be plugged into an iPod, cell phone, or anything that takes a 3.5 millimeter jack.
HyperSpike Technology. We will now be available for any questions you might have. Ultra-Electronics, bringing innovation through experience. Thank you for listening to HyperSpike Technology. We will now be available for any questions you might have. Thank you for listening to HyperSpike Technology. We will now be available for any questions you might have. You are in a U.S. Army restricted zone. The use of deadly force is authorized in this area. Depart the area immediately or we will fire upon you. You are in a U.S. Army restricted zone. The use of deadly force is authorized in this area. Depart the You are in a U.S. Army restricted zone. The use of deadly force is authorized in this area. Depart the area immediately or we will fire upon you.
As you can see, the HS Micro is ideal for rapid deployment in land or in air. Possible applications for the HS Micro include crowd control, search and rescue operations, emergency and event control.
This is the HS-14 brought to you by Ultra-Electronics. The HS-14 has a maximum acoustic output of 151 decibels and has a maximum range of 1,500 meters. The HS-14 weighs less than 40 pounds and is the best size to weight ratio on the market. The HS-14 also comes with a 16 gigabyte file player and a record play microphone, which allows the end user to achieve maximum output with live voice. The HS-14 also comes with an optional battery pack, which allows the end user to operate the HS-14 from any remote location.
What you see here is we have the HS-14. We're about 30 feet in the air and about 300 feet away from our target. The HS-14 is small and compact. It allows us to be able to run on a power source not attached to a helicopter. The HS-14 comes with a built-in alert zone that even over the noise of the helicopter allows the target to hear the sound of the HyperSpike.
HS-14.
And then you can play it multiple times.
This is the record function of the record play microphone on the HS-14. This is the record function of the record play microphone on the HS-14. This is the record function of the record play microphone on the HS-14.
In addition to the record play microphone, the HS-14 comes with a 16 gigabyte internal file player, which allows you to quickly and easily select internal files and play them downrange.
By order of the Chief of Police, I hereby declare this an unlawful assembly. I order all that are assembled to immediately disperse. By order of the Chief of Police, I hereby declare this an unlawful assembly. I order all that are assembled to immediately disperse.
In addition to the internal file player, you also have the option of a 3.5mm audio jack that goes directly into the HS-14, where you can play any external MP3 player.
Thank you for listening to HyperSpike Technology. We will now be available for any questions you might have. Ultra-Electronics, bringing innovation through experience. Thank you for listening to HyperSpike Technology. We will now be available for any questions you might have. Ultra-Electronics, bringing innovation through experience. You are in a U.S. Army restricted zone. The use of deadly force is authorized in this area. Depart the area immediately or we will fire upon you. You are in a U.S. Army restricted zone. The use of deadly force is authorized in this area. Depart the area immediately or we will fire upon you.
As you can see, the HS-14 is an ideal communication device for situations that require rapid deployment on land or in air.